about a funky beat. Funky beat.
Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in again to Daddy and me. Today we are going to review the Hatchimals Pixes Crystal Flyer. So this Crystal Flyer Pixie comes with a USB rechargeable port, and we're going to just open it up, see what it's like, let one of the girls play with it, and see how easy and fun it was to play with. So let's get right in. Please subscribe, please subscribe, please subscribe, please subscribe, please subscribe, please subscribe, please. Okay girls, so get right into it and let's have a look. Start peeling it back, good.
This is really hard.
Oh, there we go. Give that a turn. There we go. Very good. Okay. What do we got? So inside we have our instruction sheet. Keep trying to open it up. I'll look at these instructions. I'll take this out of the way. Okay, can you guys figure out how to open it?
You hold on then. Oh.
Very cool.
Very pretty.
Okay. Okay, so there was a few straps we had to cut, but go ahead and take her off. Excellent. Take these out. Good. Can you take the pixie doll out? See if it comes out of its perch. Oh, very cool. Awesome. So that's the base. And there's a little needle there, a dull needle to hold Pixie Girl into place. So now we're going to try and figure out how to make this thing fly. That small little button there, it turns it on.
Here.
Yeah, give it a go and see what happens.
Okay.
Doing anything?
Yep.
Oh!
Let
Whoa.
go!
Let it go. Let's see what happens. Whoa! Good, have a go.
Yeah.
You hold it. Just let it
So
go.
much fun.
Give it a go again. It's gone! Oh.
Such a cool toy.
Hold on. Okay, so we got the toy back. Man, that was a bit crazy. I didn't see anything like that before. But basically what happened, when it flew away off into outer space, it landed and it stopped on its own. So that's kind of interesting. When it falls down to the ground, the toy automatically shut off by itself. Let's see if we can scare the cat again. Adelina, do you want to give it a go?
Yeah,
touch that button there. See what happens. Well, look up, Beanie.
Can't really.
Oh, just hold on to it. Looks like is there a light flashing underneath or anything going on?
No.
No. See if we can.
Oh, I think that was off.
Oh, there we go.
Off. Okay, let me just.
Doing anything? Oh, there we go. Over there.
Let go! Let go!
You see, as soon as you hit these wings, I think that's kind of cool and a safety thing. As soon as you hit the hand, then all of a sudden it shuts off. So supposedly,
That was so awesome.
Adelina, can you plug this into there?
Yes.
On the one that you see the hole on underneath,
Oh yeah.
and then plug it into that one. Does it go in? There we go. Cool. And supposedly you
That
can
was
just
so awesome.
do it from here.
I was so terrified.
Is that going?
Nope.
Try it again. Maybe you have to do on off. There's a little silver button Oh, it's starting to flash.
Oh.
Maybe it's gonna go. Yeah. And off it goes. Very cool. So, what we've learned is underneath the dress, there's a silver button or a grayish button. That's the button that turns it on.
I'm gonna let it go.
Very cool. So,
Let it go. Let it go, Ariel. Let it go.
let it go. Very cool.
This is so awesome.
And it's gone again. Very cool. We like that toy, I think. Okay, so I noticed that there was this black port for charging. So I'm looking all over for the cable. The package said there was a cable, but I couldn't find it. So then we found it. Gabriella, do you want to show them where it is?
Underneath.
Underneath. So there's the cable, and just hold it to the camera. There we go. So you can see the charging port there. So if you just unwind it, take the cable off. There we go. So that's kind of cool. You never lose your cable. It's got a little station there to hold it. And then the cable plugs in to the dress somewhere here. There we go. So it just simply plugs in, and it's a USB port. So to your computer, to a charging station, plug it in, and that charges up the toy. So now product review time. Adelena, what did you think about the toy? Did you like it?
Yeah, but there was a slight problem.
Okay, what was the problem?
Well, when I turned it on, I couldn't really turn it off because it's always under there, and I kept on hurting my hands on these.
Oh, right, so when it was spinning, it was difficult to turn it off.
Yeah.
Okay, but when it was flying, what did you think of it?
It was so awesome.
So much fun, eh? Yeah, very cool. So, Gabriella, what did you think about it?
It was really, I could agree with her. It was really hard to get underneath there.
While it was flying? Yeah, but other than that, it was
Really fun.
a lot of fun. Very cool. All right, so it is we like it or we don't like it time. Take your hands. Take your hand. All right, girls. At the same time, because we got one toy, what do we think? Do we like it or do we not like it?
Smash!
We like the toy. Very good. All right, so for our next product review, thank you very much for tuning into this one. We have the Bloom toy. So we're going to figure out exactly what this toy is, and we're going to get right into that on our next video.